it, right?
Yeah, it's really good. Okay, now we need to put the stuff around it. And I'll go, Mommy, and I'll...
You don't make a snowman when you argue. It's unproductive to making a snowman, just so you know. So you want to try to get along with your co-star. Your co-star should not tell you to shut up. It's not good.
Okay, ready? So, you see we're sticking stuff around it, and we're not having to hold it down because it's being so nicely packed on there and how we did it. Oh yeah, before we put this part, forgot to tell you, before we put the middle part in, we had to make it flat so we could stick this part in, and then you put the stuff on.
I was just trying to meet the demand. Oh, I'm doing something so bossy. Okay. Don't knock her over. You're getting a little wiggly. Are we going to put hair on the snowman?
How do we stick hair on it?
I don't know. You go get hair, but I don't think it's hair.
What hair?
Anyhow.
Now
our snowman is almost complete.
Now I'm going to go and get some
accessories.
Like
every
buttons.
Snowman, snow woman in the world needs accessories. Snow women. No.
You're joking.
This is a PG show.
I'm joking. Okay.
I can't believe you said
Shush.
that.
This is, okay. Okay. Now yeah.
Yeah. Go get some.
I'm going to go get the buttons.
Stuff, and we'll be back from the commercial break.